Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your nickname on your Facebook account. So let's begin. So here we are in Facebook, and what we want to do from here is that we simply need to go into our main menu. So once you're here in Facebook, tap on the bottom right, it says menu on the three horizontal bars, and then go tap on the top right where it is a gear icon right here, the settings, just beside the search icon or the magnification glass icon. And from here you want to go into account center. So once you're here in the account center, you want to tap on profiles right here, and you want to tap on your Facebook account right here so that we can change the profile nickname, and then from here tap on the name. Once you are here, then you can simply tap on the manage other names right here. This is where we will be changing our nickname. So from here you're gonna choose the name type that you want to change. So in this video we would want to change our nickname, so we can go and change that. But if you want other names also, then you can also do that right here. So let's change our nickname into so let's say our nickname is Hal, or maybe just Jake, just like that. And this is just for an example. And then you also have the option to show it at the top of your profile. So this is how it would be like here. So when someone visits your profile, they would see it like this. There would be a nickname just beside your name, but you also have the option to not to do that or not to show your nickname. Then you can just uncheck this and that. Then after that, you can just hit on save. But in my case, I want to show it, so I'm just gonna click on save because I am done setting up, and hit save right there. And now once you are here, you can just simply add other things that are right here that you want to add about yourself. But in my case, I don't want to add anymore, so I'll just go leave it at that. And just like that, that is how you change your profile Facebook nickname in Facebook. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.